It's OhioJimbo, and I'm back because I did the 3-chord thing from John Cougar. And regardless of whether it goes or not, there's another cool one that John Cougar did, John Mellencamp, that was called the Authority Song. I just want you to have fun. And this is a really cool one. Same chords. It's the A, a D, and an E. And it is just a really cool song. And I'm just going to show you how it goes. They like to get you in a compromising position. They like to get you with a smile on your face. They think they're so cute when they got you in that condition. Well, I think it's a total disgrace. And I said, I fight authority, authority always wins. I said, I fight authority, authority always wins. I've been doing it since I was a young kid, I come out grinning. I fight authority, authority always wins. I went to the preacher, I need some love. He said, you don't need no love, you need to grow up, son. Growing up is growing old and dying. And dying to me don't sound like all that much fun. And I said, I fight authority, authority always wins. I fight authority, authority always wins. I've been doing it since I was a young kid and I come out grinning. I said, I fight authority, authority always wins. Oh no, 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 say, oh no, no, no. Say, I fight authority, authority always wins. I said, I fight authority, authority always wins. I've been doing it since I was a young kid and I come out grinning. I said, I fight authority, authority always wins. Three chords and a lot of fun. And yes, I think I am fighting authority because I keep getting told that some of these songs sound a little too close, like the melodies and the songs and the chords. I'm just here to show you how to have fun, and that's what it's all about. So if you're out there having fun, scream at the top of your lungs. You know, let caution go to the wind, because it's about having a lot of laughter and enjoyment. And if you're doing that, everybody's going to enjoy it. And this particular song is so easy because you just keep doing the over and over and over again. And if you were not singing, someone would just think you're just strumming through 3 chords over and over, but that singing helps it a lot. And then your strumming pattern just up and down. Just keep going up and down. It is such a fun song, such a cool song, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy playing it. So if you get a chance, hit the subscribe button. I really would like to have some subscribers. The channel's growing. I'm excited about it. People are making the comments. They're sending in some ideas and suggestions. Some people are correcting me on things. And I'm going to tell you right now, I never took a lesson. I never took a lesson because I just started picking up the guitar when I was young. There's a whole nother story. I got a video coming up on that too. But I'll tell you, playing with the guitar and listening to it and letting it talk to your heart and letting it talk to your ears is the best thing you can do. So when you get in there, start learning those 3 chords and don't let anybody tell you they're wrong. I could name these chords after marsupials or something, and every chord could be a different name. I mean, I could be playing the wombat and go to the koala and then maybe hit a kangaroo. It doesn't matter. It's shapes. And the shapes come together and do something. So if all the shapes are a herd of marsupials, hallelujah again, we're having some fun with a bunch of wombats and such. Is a wombat a marsupial? I think it is. They probably got a pouch. But anyway, I just have fun doing it. So I'm fighting authority, and this song is a fun one to have. When someone tells you to quiet down, I've been playing at a bonfire before, and the police come in, and the neighbors are saying it's getting loud. And it's like 2 in the morning, should be. So that's usually the last song I do, is I fight authority, but authority always wins. So, once again, I hope you're enjoying this as much as I'm having fun bringing it to you. This is OhioJimbo. And if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here. Thanks for watching.